Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Are you one of the millions inspired by Robert Kiyosaki, the renowned author and financial guru? You may have heard the rumors swirling around that he is in debt. But today, we're here to unveil the truth and separate fact from fiction. Let's set the record straight. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is indeed facing financial challenges. However, it is crucial to dig deeper into the reasons behind this situation. One key aspect to consider is that Kiyosaki's debt is mainly tied to his real estate investments, which is actually a strategic move. You see, successful investors like Kiyosaki utilize leverage using borrowed money to increase their returns. It's a calculated risk that can pay off tremendously in the long run. Furthermore, it's important to note that Kiyosaki has faced lawsuits throughout his career. Some critics argue that these legal battles indicate financial troubles. However, many successful entrepreneurs face lawsuits due to their high visibility and controversial ideas. So, while it is true that Kiyosaki may be in debt, it is essential to recognize that his overall financial situation is more complex than what meets the eye. His investments and strategic use of leverage are part of his wealth-building strategy. In conclusion, the rumors suggesting that Robert Kiyosaki is drowning in debt are misleading. While he may face financial challenges, they are integral parts of his investment strategies, and he continues to educate and inspire millions worldwide. Thank you for watching this video and gaining a deeper understanding of Robert Kiyosaki's financial situation. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights into the world of finance.